Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. In this video, I want to show you how to prepare your files to import into your LeadMaster system. So here we have a file. You want to check to make sure that your file has the correct information in each column. Clean data in the spreadsheet means clean data going in. Also, with your date fields, you want to make sure that all of your date fields are month, day, and year, but you want to have numerical month. So you want to update all of your date fields so that they would be, for example, March 14th, 2014. You want all your date fields to be like this. Once you have all your information and your data looking good and clean, what we want to do is just delete rows and columns underneath your data. And this is so in case there's any hidden characters. So I just pick a few rows underneath and I delete. Sometimes I do it several times, just deleting the rows below. I also want to go ahead and I am going to pick columns near my screen more, and I just delete columns after my data. In the last column, I do want to put an EOF. It's capital EOF, and it's just telling the system that that's the end of that row of data. I'm going to do that. And for some of your data, this is all you need to do to clean your data. And then this is an Excel spreadsheet, so you just want to save this as a CSV. I like to save it to my desktop so I can find it easier when I'm importing. And often you're ready to import your data. But sometimes if you pull this data out of another system, there might be some more hidden characters that you can't see and you get an error message when you're importing. So what I want to show you next is how to clean your data using the Excel clean function. So we have our data here. What we want to do is we want to add 2 more worksheets. So we have our sample data on the first one, and then we have 1 and 2. What we're going to do is we click on 1, we're going to go up to our formulas in Excel, under the text, and I'm going to choose the clean function. It's going to bring up this text box to help you find what you need. We're going to take the data from the first worksheet, so I'm just going to click on that tab. It's going to put that information in there. And then I'm going to grab the first cell, which is A1, and click OK. And it puts that information in there. I'm going to copy this data, but first I'm going to drag this out so I know I believe I have 50 rows. And then I'm going to paste that formula, and it's going to paste all the information. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and delete some of the characters after. So I have the information here on this sheet, worksheet 2, and this worksheet actually has the formulas in it, so you don't want to use this worksheet. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to copy that, click onto the worksheet, the last worksheet, and I'm going to paste special and only put the values. And I have that information. I'm going to go ahead and save right now. Also, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete the previous worksheets, and I just go by clicking on the tab and deleting it. And here's my data. You will see that sometimes the date fields and the numeric fields have this little error message. This one is a date field, so first I'm going to click into them. I'm going to go to this little box and convert it to a number. And I know it's a date field, so I am going to highlight the column and reformat the cells back to that date field that I would like. There we go. It's back into our date. Same with the zip code. I'm just going to convert it back to a number. And there's our zip code. And now your data is ready to import to your system and it's clean. Thank you.